All right. Let's go over a few things. Oh, buddy. So we are currently in gold right now. We're gonna talk about that in a minute because I believe this has the potential to really catch some pips on this trade. You had a number of entries, like it still can come up here, so we're not out of the clear yet. But entry 1, entry 2, you could have entered up here. You'd have been a super good profit if you'd entered up here. But we'll talk about that in a minute. Earlier, I had a trade. I did a Facebook Live. I ain't been on Facebook Live in a minute, so I did earlier with you, Chef. That thing started, it went back up, but we got in. I actually gave you 2 delos on this one. We got in on the second one. Gave you one right here. You could have probably entered about right there. Then the second one, I entered about down here. I got in on the second one. I got my 1 to 2. Let's see where that was at. So I entered right there. Wherever my 1 to 2 was at, I got it. I don't think it was up this high. Actually, it was my 1 to 2 was like up around here. But I'm trying to figure out where did I enter, because I entered like hold on, let me look at my MT4 to see where I entered. 7755. I entered way up here. Yeah, that's where I got out at. Okay, so my stop was, did we get a 1 or 2? I'm trying to think. Yeah, because I was on live, I got a 1 or 2 on Facebook Live. Where did we, or did I do it wrong? Boom, came up here. Maybe I didn't get a 1 or 2. I'm tweaking because I know it said 1 to 2 on my Facebook Live. I just can't remember. Where did I put my stop at? I know I ain't put my stop up this far. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I did. My bad. And maybe I didn't get a 1 or 2. Oh, well. Oh, it came to the 60. That's where I got out. Okay. I was like, did I get a 1? Because I wanted it to come up here, but it didn't. I got seen the 60 and said it's probably going to pull back, but which it did. So we got out of that trade, but we still could have stayed in that trade. Like, even if third candle we ain't profit, we probably got out. So good thing we got out right here. Let's look on the 30, see if that gave us anything, because I just abandoned it. Once I got that, it was over. But look, no, that's a shift. So all right, so yeah, we got in right there. We got what is it? 7. Where did it put me in at? 7755. I thought I got in sooner than that. Like 4 pips. That was nothing. Could have thought we got more than that, but I guess. Okay, that did that. So we watching gold. We're going to talk about gold because this is a pretty good trade right here. I wish I'd have got in. I didn't. I thought if it had came up here, I definitely would have entered. But okay, so we are going to talk about gold and why I enter gold. I entered right here. Well, actually, it came up here. I didn't enter, and it came back down. And once this candle came back up, I entered. And if it came back up here, I would have entered. But let's talk about why I got these 3 entries right here and why each of them is this color. So let's go to the daily. This is gold. Seeing the daily DeLorean on here. This is counter trend, by the way. So let's we want it to come down here to this. I mean, if it's going to be a full reversal, then it'll come down here too. But for now, we'll take that. So let's see the pippage like that from my position, from where I'm at. Was that 82, 92, 292? Matter of fact, let's go to the 15 because it's daily. I'm trying to line it up. Well, I mean, I could just see what's the spread on gold. It's like, let's just say 5 pips. We go back to the daily. We can put this short on. Profit risk entry. Activated entry 1892. 21. 21. The risk entry price. Hold on. My bad. Hold on. Stop it, B. You ready for the stop yet? Let's gotta see what that's gonna be. Stop it, be about. Jeez. I'm not even sure which one is the 1 pip. I think this is 10. So that'd be what, 30? I think this, maybe I think that's it. So I'm not sure which one is the 1 and 10 for it's like 50 some pips, so I can think that's it right there. And then we would be trying to go down to about right there. So this is a 1 to 4. We can be risking about, I don't know if that's 7. And that might be like, yeah, it's the daily, so 100 and something. Trying to see how many. And that's like 200 some pips. Why does it say? Oh, I'm looking over here. Amount. I don't know what that. Yeah, hold on. I'm tripping, yo. 291 pips for about 1,291. Alright, I was like, how high is that? 7. Okay, so we're risking about 291 pips for to get 1,220. 91 pips. So let's go back down to the 15. See something. I thought. Alright, so that's if this was to come all the way back up here. So that's what we doing. Is let's get rid of that and then let's go to back to the daily. So we got our daily D-low counter trend. So usually counter trends work real quick, and if it does, maybe down here, I don't know if that's what the market wants to do, then we'll be coming down here. So boom, Got our signature set up right here. Let's go over the 4 steps for those that do not know it. 4 steps are real easy. Oh, man. All right. Look at the 2 candles to the left of the arrow. Let's put the arrow. Let's say we got the arrow right here. Look at the 2 candles to the left of the arrow. Since this is a sale and red is my sale, black is my buy. We want to say it's the red candle bigger than on the sunlight. It'd be blue. Is the red candle bigger than the blue? It's a dream come true. Okay, but anyway, we're going black. Okay, so is the red candle bigger than the black? Of course it is. This is bigger. Now, is the red line cutting through both candle bodies? Boom. This is the body. This is the wick. So is the red line cutting through both candle bodies? Why, of course it is. That's 2 questions answered. Now we want to make sure that now is the where is the line? Well, this one in daily, so you might not see it. Oh yeah. Now is the blue, the white, or the aqua? Blue, white, or aqua? Is it closely above or cut in? Is it closely above end or cutting through both candle bodies? Okay, so we got the aqua that is cutting through both candle bodies. So number 3 is a yes. So number 4. Did you make sure that the blue, white, or aqua is not closely below price? The nearest EMA is way down here, so yes, we got space for profit. So answer yes to all 4 of those questions, and you take the trade. So again, let's go over real quick, so we can let's get everything in the screen. Try to see if I can make this bigger. Let's get all the EMAs in the screen. Okay, is the red candle bigger than black? Yes. Is the red line cutting through both candle bodies? Yes, it is. Is the blue, white, or aqua closely above and or cutting through both candle bodies? Okay, it's cutting through both candle bodies. Excellent. Did you make sure that the blue, the white, or the aqua is not closely below price? Right, we got all this space for profit, so we take the trade. Boom. Now, honestly, you can, as soon as this candle closes, you can enter the trade, but we like a better entry, so we wait for the pullback. And I got all of these marked as yellow, the yellow line, red, the red line, aqua, the aqua line. So the price can pull back to any of these. We'll call it the pack to push. Like this is the optimal right here. Like if it comes up here, excellent, but sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes we just. But right here is where you would enter. Then you can enter right here. I should have entered right here, which price came just right there, so you can. It doesn't have to touch it. It just comes in this area. Hit it, and guess what? You'd have been like damn near instant profit. Like if you would have hit that, and like you'd have been up. Let me see. So how many pips should have been up? I could tell you exactly how many pips should have been up if you would have entered right there. Been at like 93 pips. Pure profit. So right now we are. Let me look at my T4 to see what it basically I'm at. I'm up 33 pips as of right now. So, missing out on like 60 something pips. I ain't missing out, I just didn't get it. So, yeah, that's where we are with gold. Now, what I'm going to do now is, because I'm looking for gold to drop, is once we get this shift, I'm going to enter again. We get another shift, you're going to enter. So yeah, right now we are currently up 30 some pips. 34 is going back and forth. created the M. Could this be the high of the day? Now we created that M formation, and we could be looking at that. So if you'd have entered up here, you potentially could have been up, what's that, 80 some pips. Let's go look at this real quick. Price. So let's say you enter at the tippy. Like you, right now you'd be sitting about 80 some pips. But that's not what we got in at. So we'll be watching this closely to possibly get another entry. Right now it's shifting, so we'll see. This candle could come up some more. But yeah, that's what we'll be looking at for gold. For that one, we're back up 30 some pips. Awesome. Let's check out some pairs. Don't you dare. Alright, so I didn't get in this trade. I was looking at this earlier, but this candle, right? The shift candle just took off. Then that took me way up here to that 60. So I said, forget it. I'm not going to enter that trade. And you can see why. That's why I didn't enter it. But not saying that I won't enter this time. If it, hold on, let me see something. Hold on, Nelly. Let's see what this candle does, yo. Cause it did not shift yet, did it? I don't think so. We don't want it to. If we don't, this thing don't shift. We don't play with me now, GN. I missed you the first time. If this thing goes up here, closes above, then we got us a MES. Whew. I'm not messing with GU today. Just not, I'm not feeling GU today. What was that? GN, that was looking sexy. Yeah. GJ, not messing with that. G-Chef probably going up, but let's look at GCAT. G-Chef. G-Chef not going up? That's going up. EG. This was a nice one right here. Oh, this was real nice. Came back. Nah. So we talked about, baby, we about to kill gold, man. Oh, let this be the high. Oh, I'm gonna be pissed because I didn't get up here. I should have got in up here, man. But let's look at EU. If y'all see nothing on with this one, I'm gonna hop off real quick. Oh wait, hold up. Hold up. This thing on VB too. If VB's coming, I'll get out up here, but man, might have missed this one. I'm not tripping too much because I'm gonna be worried about gold, but hold up. We got a D-Lo, baby. EA Sports is in the game. For those looking for a trade to get in, this is the one probably. Yes, this is a D-Lo right here. And that thing is about to shoot up too. It's going to VB. Yes, it is. I know what you about to do. You came down here. Look at all of that. Oh, and it's beautiful. Gave you your shift right there. So let's say you got in on the shift. It's right there. Let it come down. You got in right here. One. Then this thing came down here and got your D-Lo. You in that thing and take that baby up. Yeah, and it's going to VB. Oh, this is a good trade right here. I'll take this all day. I'll take it all the way up to the 60 and be out that piece. Hold on, I got my phone about to die. And you know, I got my money on my phone, so I gotta. My charger. Good thing my charger right here. Damn, we missed this trade, y'all. Well, we ain't miss it, but I would have got in. I would have got in on this one. Yeah. We're gonna go ahead and set this baby up. Gonna set this baby up because it's still. Remember many pips. GA, he ate those pips too. They don't. You like 3-4 pip or 4 pips, but we're gonna go ahead and entry would have been right here. I'm not even sure how many. What's the spread on EA, but it's close to like. Oh man, come on now. Boom. Right here, so we probably better take this down about, say, 5 pips. Which would have gave us 66. Boom. Now we need definitely would have took this up to here at least. Let's see if what it had been at the top of the Asia. See if our risk to reward was short, long. If our risk to reward would have been 62662. 378. Oh, we're looking at it. Yo, yeah, that's beautiful. Like, let me see if you enter right here, what would it be? You needed to come down here. This baby is going up there, yo. I'm telling you, that's what it's doing. Yeah. Man, this shit is awesome, yo. What did I tell you? It's about to VB. I told you. Man, told y'all. I think I'm not going to trade on Tuesdays. Tuesdays don't like me. Oh, we up 42 pips on gold. Yeah. Come on. Man, I hope y'all just jumped in this trade right there, because that thing about to go up, yo. Woo! Blue party, baby. Let's cut that back on. We're going to look for some more setups, baby. Yeah. Let's go look at gold. Yeah. 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 Let's go. Uh-huh. Woo! Let's go. 6 in the morning. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hold on. I was saying that these euros probably was gonna pay out today, baby. Let's go. Enter this trade right now. Like, enter this right now. Yeah. Let's do this. And this thing gave you 1, 2, 3 in profit. 3 gave you another D-low. You take that one. Yeah. Let's go. Let's mark it up. Enter it. This baby's going. It's gone. Man, stop playing with me. Boom. I don't need that. We end this joint right here. I'll show up in the kill zone. Done it. Yeah, should have got in right here. 1, 2, 3 in profit. Get you another D-low. Hit that one. Yeah. Look, man, this thing is all sizzam. I don't know what's the pip count on this, but let's see real quick. Already got that on here. I don't got ECAT on here. How come I don't see it? I don't see EuroCat. Oh, let me see. It might be on here. There we go. Another 5 pips. So we'll take that to, what's that, 4? I want to see if this is going to be a 1 to 2, 61, maybe 46, right there, and this would be 06. So we would need this to, oh yeah, okay, I see you. We come up here. That's still not a 1 or 2, so I mean we need to come all the way up here then. All right. Okay, I got you. I see you. There we go. That's that for that. Now we about to get him another. And this one right here would have been perfect. This would have been beautiful. Even if we got in right here. I mean your stop. This would have been up right there. But we're not gonna mess with that. We're just gonna take this one. What is we doing with EA? Let me see. Oh yeah, these trades are about to take the freak off as well. So we got. I didn't get into what is this gonna do. No, that's not gonna give us anything. So let's go back. Let's look at. We're on fire today, boy. These markets are moving today for us. It's actually doing what the fuck it's supposed to. Okay, so AU. It's looking like you got the shift going. Okay, we got boom, 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 boom. So I would say, oh yeah, and it's a true shift down here, and we went up towards the EMAs. Oh man, come on now. I know what you about to do. And you about to break. Oh yeah. We need to go ahead and let me see. Let's set this up real quick because that thing gave us our let me show y'all something real quick. Boom. Got that. We got our M. Got our right there. Now we're getting our shift. Okay. Let's get that arrow. We got our vector. Boom. So we'll take, let me see what this would be a short. Let's just say we get in right there. Not gonna get in right there, but let's put this up here. This thing have to come all the way down here for it to be anything, which is not bad. But the cool thing is that this is the shift, so this thing could give us a deload and this stop and move all the way down where that deload at. So you can get in on this one once this closes, but don't be surprised if it doesn't pull. If it pulls back. So let's just say it close right here. Don't be surprised if it pulls back. So you could wait for that if it wants to give you a pullback. A lot of times it might not. All right, so we're looking at that. We're gonna keep that on the menu. We got 8 candles to be in profit on that one. It's AU. What is this looking like? I'm not gonna touch that one yet. We'll see what this. What's this? A shift or a dealer? It's just a shift. I'm not gonna mess with that. That's too far for me. You can. EMAs are too bunched. Not messing with that. This might. Let's see. I got enough. We got enough good trades going right now. So Hold up. What was this shift doing? Boom, 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 boom. Gave you a shift. Gave you a 50. Hold on. Was that a 50? It was a 50-50? No, that just shifted now, so that's not a true 50-50. But it still might be worth taking. But I ain't. Alright, so GN did not give me what I was looking for. But gold is Milton. Hold on, let me see something, because I think I might have missed my entry, because I said I was going to hit gold again if it shifted. Let's go. Right, yeah, because this might have been a shift right here. Yeah, I missed it. Talking to you, Joker. Y'all owe me some money. I'm just playing. But okay, so gold come back up. I'm blah, 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 blah. I need gold to because I want to get in gold again. Like, I want it to pull back up. It pull back up. It could just pull back up to the aqua, and I'm gonna hit it again. Like, I am really okay with that. We got the shift. Now, if it pull back up to the aqua, I'm gonna hit it again. If it comes back, it can keep coming back up some more. Just throw a D-low, it's on. So, if it throws a D-low, all of this up here, that's our stop, it moves all the way down here. Let me look at EA. ECAD, because these could steal. Woo! ECAD said, you know what, man? We about to take the fuck off. Yes. Man, keep playing. Man, when these markets, when we don't have that damn interruption and shit dudes are supposed to do, this shit is a beast, yo. Yeah, let's go back to gold, because I want gold to pull back up. Gold might just say fuck it and drop. So, yes. Gold is going to pull up, so I'm thinking it's going to pull up. It should be a perfect spot for it to pull back up to. So we're going to watch gold. So we currently up 40 pips on gold. So yeah, man, the three trades is EA. Well, gold, of course, the EA. Let me see if you got anything on the 5. Sometimes you can get a beautiful entry. Let's see what ECAD just shot the fuck up, yo. Like, honestly, let's see something real quick. I'm gonna delete this, because once this candle closes, this is an advanced D-low right here. So don't be surprised if this closes above this and it pulls back to either the yellow or the red. I get in that one. But let's go back to, let me put that back on here. Go back to the 15th spot. So don't be surprised. I'm telling you, like, this thing is there's so many, right? So many different ways to get this, man. Let me go back on my, gotta look at my TDI. Because this thing got me kind of hyped today. And I gotta go to work. Ain't wait till I can walk away from my job. You know. We got one more candle to stay in profit. We good. Like, this thing is going to be B and it's going to come up here. So I'm thinking the 60 is probably going to be somewhere up here and here. But yeah, EA is already VB. So we taking this to VBC. I don't know if it's going to make it up here. But it could play around and then it could shoot up here. So we'll see what this does. Oh shit, we missing gold. I'm tripping. Trying to see what gold gonna do. Man. So like if you got up in here, like potential. Your potential so far you'd have been like 114, 114 pips. So right now you've been at like 90 some pips. So yeah. Gold come up here. Like I said, I got gold going down. So all day, every day. It's looking good on the TDI. Like we really want this to close like LC. Really want that LC. We get that LC. Hold on. Let's just go. Just put another. Hold on, didn't do it. I just put another entry in on gold. So my next thing I wanted to do is to throw me a D-low. So I needed to go up and close above the red. Then the next candle, go ahead and close below and enter that baby again. So as of right now, I got another entry. Where did they put me in at? 889. No, 888. 86. Oh, we up here anyway. 888. So we got an entry right here. That's the chef entry. So enter me right just below the aqua, which is okay. We wanted to do that. We want that freaking D-low, man. We get that D-low, it's like everything is straight up doing what it's supposed to do. So actually, this was the shift right here, wasn't it? Or was this the shift? Man, I'm tripping. I got to make sure I mark it. So let's close that, go back real quick. So I'm gonna show y'all something else y'all probably didn't know. When I see a back trade, I ain't taking this. Okay, that's the shift. That's not bad. Like we want it, but a lot of times, instead like if this was a shift, like you wouldn't, like if this was since that's not, can't go off of that, but you would, if this was to close above this, then you would get out the trade, but since this not even down here, that doesn't even matter. It really doesn't matter, so I should put in another entry. We'll see where this at with this closes. This closes up here, so where that I might put another entry, and because I got this coming down, so we are okay. Still, I might just wait. Don't be too greedy. But we definitely got that thing went all the way up here, vectored up. Look at that. This gave us another M. There goes, then it gave like M's all the way down. And hopefully this will close up here and give us another M. Or that thing could just come all the way down. So, see what our EA is doing. EA is coming back down. EA might be a little slower than CAD because EA is strong. Okay, let's look at what was that CAD on the 5 we was talking about? Yeah, look at that. Oh, I already did it. There you go. That's a more advanced D-low right there. That is a D-low. So you could have entered that. Stop would have been somewhere around there. If you didn't got in right at entry. But we taking it up there. So yeah, like CAD was a good one. Still is actually. on a 1 minute and see what it's doing. I do like hat to shoot up. Let's go back, get back on our TDI thing. Alrighty. Do like what CAD is doing. See what we look like on a 5. That thing about to shoot up, man. It's just poised to. Alright, what we doing with EA? What EA looking like on a 5? Okay, yeah. So we either gonna take this to VBC or hit our exit. But this needs to break above that 60. It needs to just shoot up above it. Like, don't play, take it out. Okay, look at this. Gold is pushing up. Need to stay up there, and the next candle needs to create a D-low. The next candle create a D-low. Oh shit! Watch out now. I'm telling you, it stays up here, and that damn next candle create a D-low. Watch out. That's all I gotta say. Alright, so I'm not really looking at too many of the other pairs. It's basically gold, EA, and ECAT. And we are in blue on everything. ECAT. So you know we're gonna play some blue party, baby. Woo! We killing these markets today, baby. Yesterday was kind of but today it is on and popping, baby. Let's go! Woo! Oh, what was AU doing? Okay. AU is gonna fucking drop. I got a shift entry up here. I didn't get in this though, but if it give me a D-low, I'm gonna jump in. If not, I'm not gonna mess with the shift. But it gave us a shift. This shift, yeah. Let's go. Uh-oh, y'all see it. Profits on profits on profits. Woo! I'm yelling, I don't take it, miss. Come on now. We do this over here. Profitable trading days. We go by, we have profitable trading weeks, months. We're gonna watch this for a little bit. I want to see if let's see if gold, see if this next candle take us down. I don't want it to shift up. I need this mother sucker to shift back down. To go down.
in her bag when, yeah, that's my friend, and she bad, and she traded. I'm a chairman. I'm a chairman. I'm a chairman. How the pips turn property into pieces. Had to cancel cheesy jobs at my circle like some pizza. Base too exclusive. I turned up my mindset meetings. All them 9 to 5 jobs. Gotta go, gotta beat it. Making money while you storing all these profits. All I'm showing. Swear beefing with these jobs really getting kind of boring. Trust the shit. We catching pips, we busting up. It's too much drip. We catching. Still catching bags.
All right, what is this trying to do, yo? Is it trying to go up or go down on us? What are you doing? So they got the charts. See what this going? This is what this doing.
I'm a chairman. I'm a chairman. These profits, D-Lo Nation got this. 4 steps, easy. Tumble cannot block this. College straight, almost today. I'm about to hit the peak. Hundreds on hundreds on hundreds on hundreds. We don't even take the fee. Oh my God, shit, look at this. Just call it TP. Shit, they're catching pips. Cash all I see. You are hella sleep if you aren't with the nation, yeah. All about them sticks, bigger cut, space location, yeah. Still cashing bags and money on my mind. I'm about to and relaxing. Still cashing bags and money on my mind. I'm about to and relaxing. Still cashing bags and money on my mind. I'm about to and relaxing. I would never trip on a boss in her bag when, yeah, that's my friend and she bad and she traded. I'm a chairman.
We need to pull up with some pips. Let me see if I can find that. Haven't heard that all freaking day.
We taking over the world. We taking over the whole world. You know everybody's gonna be here, right?
We need to pull up with the main freaking pips. Yeah.
Pull up with them pips by the motherfucking dips. Pull up with them pips by the motherfucking dips. Pull up with them pips by the motherfucking dips. Pull up with them pips by the motherfucking dips. 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 The pimps brought me the crib. The pimps got me flossing. Hold on my crib, I drip. If you're not with the nation, you're missing more than a sensation. Hey, strong candle wigs, fuck with the market, it's playing tricks. Hey, market make us about to get the stick. Withdrawal is how we get rich. They show you the hand, we make it band, and then we in the pigs. ADR divided by in the kill zone is where we be. GBP, USD, NZD, no CAD. Pimps up all in my pocket. Hey, riding the trail like a rocket. Hey, I close it all in pocket. Hey, I ain't no plug, no socket. Hey, I show the big pimpin'. Give a 10 in, then I'm dipping. Feds on me as a pimp up. Grip on the weed and with shit stuff. Hey, you be trading Michaels while my lot size is standards. Hey, you ain't got the answer. Profit dry like you told cancer. Hey, all of this money I bleed. Vectors are all that I see. Entry defines my destiny. All because I know what fire can do for me. Pull up with them pips by the motherfucking dips. Pull up with them pips by the motherfucking dips. Pull up with them pips by the motherfucking dips. Pull up with them pips by the motherfucking dips. 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 Flipping up on the beat. Power of 50 selling the peaks. 50 can't let them leave. them bees up for that BTS. Making profits easy. You rely on secrets because you need it. Skill, believe me. All of the friends, trap and traders. Making a meal before my haters. Life is hard like I'm throwing a game. I just wanna put up with that stick. Hey, I'm talking about guns, talking about profits, hundreds to ones. Clicking that button, making shit fun. No, I feel like your life should be your salary in one click. You pair, you pick. No Fridays, I ain't with it. Then you shift and trade profits. Serving up these flips on a gold or silver platter. Risk reward on fleek, so it doesn't even matter. Market makers certain plays, I can see them getting madder. Account climbing, high carbon and crushing your corporate ladder.
You got that VB, baby. Motherfucking dips. Song, yo. All righty. Today they needed that's why I said I wasn't getting in this trade right now. I don't think I'm messing with any pound pairs today. This was a good one, but I didn't know what the hell this is going to do. Shift right here. Even if you got in right there, now you're in profit. That's good. But I'm not messing with it. Jeez. BG ain't playing today. This is actually a D-Lo right here. This is actually a real. This is right here. Otherwise, this has been a damn good one. But don't know if they're trying to come up here. Let's see what the. Let's see. Look at the. They battling, so this can. Yay, can. They battling for supremacy. So this could come up. This could. It could. You're gonna sit back and watch that. Okay. I see EA trying to push. You can't push it up too now. Okay. You can't touching that punk ass 60, man. Damn. The only thing I don't like about that is touching that damn 60.
Put them bees up for that BTS. Making profits easy. You rely on secrets because you need it. Skill, believe me. All of the friends, trap and traders. Making a meal before my haters. Life is hard like I'm throwing a game.
I'm gonna see what this does. Could be getting a shift on you, cat. Is the dollar getting strong? I don't know about this AU trade yet. Come to think about it. Unless Aussie just gonna be strong, but it's just kind of conflicting with these other ones. I'm not saying that it can't do that, but these, Cause we want CAD to get weak too, cause we in ECAD. So I do like this. Once this shift, hold on. I need a true shift though. Uh-oh, hold on. Let's go to gold real quick. See what that's doing. Like, if gold needs to just quit bullshit and close below this line, yo, give us that D-Lo we want. Gold need to give us that D-Lo we want. Let's see if they give it to us. I don't think they gonna give it to us though. Come on, let's look at this drip. You need gold to push, but it's probably gold bullshit. They don't want to give us that D-Lo, y'all. They hating. Gold hating on us, man. Yeah, go hating. Go's a hater. Let's look on the 30. Go's a hater. I know you could have gave us that D-Lo. Go's a hater. Look at how you want to come down this cat. Nah, You trying to do something though? I see AU. AU trying to do something. You can't. Are we gonna bust through that 60? Bust through that 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, 60. Bust through that 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, 60. Bust through that 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, 60, 60. See, that 60 is a beast, man. Woo, go moving. Looking at my MT4. Go is moving, moving, moving. Woo-hoo. Take that shift, baby. Yeah. Hey, you moving, ECAD. Don't play with me, Go. Now you want to go back up, punk ass. It's the 60, man. That 60 wasn't there, I wouldn't even, man. We'd be on fire right now. Hey, you pushing? My drip, 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 drip. Nigga, my drip, 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 drip. Yeah. And I think he's going to be doing a trade session today too. So I might let y'all get a sneak peek of that. That'll be going at like 7. So I might be going back and forth to my trades and his trades. Okay, they gave us that 50. No, it didn't. It was close. Like, I don't need to look at any other pairs. I'm just seeing what they do, but we basically good. Why ain't just moving? There we go. Jeez. go right there. We got that. Oh, it's a shift. Boo. What are you doing? Hey, that go we pulling back, then pull up close to pull back up close to 20 pips. ACAD is trying to get up there. I mean, ECAD. See, this might be where we should get out of ECAD at. This is the first time that it's touching this. Touching the, we didn't get our 1 to 2, but that's okay. The reason I will pull out of this because this is the first time it's up to the Asia and we at the 60. But we gonna watch this closely. We're gonna watch this closely because I do believe this is gonna pull back. Where's EA at? EA is probably gonna pull. Well, EA probably gonna pull back too. I'm not in EA, but I am in ECAD, so I gotta watch that. Go down to the 15. I mean 5. See where we at on the. See, we VB. So what we can do is on the 5, we can take it to VBC on the 5. What we look like on the 1 minute. We bought the VB on the 1. So we got 2 indications that we went past the 60. So we might be good. It look like it's. We gotta see. It's trying to break that 60. Hey, you going back and forth. We want to see what this does. Let's check this out in the 5 in 1 minute. He hasn't even touched the 40 yet. About the 1 minute. 1 minute is trying to. I ain't even paying attention to this. Looking at this. RSI. We could have got shit right there. Like sometimes like you can get like a really awesome entry. So let's just say like if we got in right here off the shift, this shifted back up, shift down. You know, a few more pips, but nah. Pipe down.
I'm about to get this. I'm about to rip this pair like that. Gotta follow my step. Gotta follow revenge is bad.
See, it's battling right here. It's battling right now.
Run a check for what they got.
Pull up on the go live in the kill zone. Okay. Hey you. We stalking these trades right now, y'all. Trying to see what they're gonna do.
Straight into blue and you passes the bar. Fast in the spark, cashes the park. Would take you cat, but cat takes it too far. Rockin' the gold, Bitcoins like art. Millies and billies,
This thing could do some playing around. It could be trying to see if it will. Because I still think this might give us a D-low. So we can get rid of that because it didn't do that. This thing could be pulling these EMAs down also. So we're just gonna have to watch it too.
Show you this life in 4 steps in a zone. I can never lie. The orientation, we're here changing. If you're not with you,
This is just EA and ECAD is like y'all see how he's doing this. He's right at that 60, that's why. Let's go back to the 5. Still looking good on 5. We having VB. Check out the 1 minute. Ooh. 1 minute, like it's about the LC. Let's go back to the 5. I mean 15 or 5, yeah, we gotta take 5. Looks like, what was this? We're gonna have to watch this 5 minute. Cause we VB on here, then I might close out. Well, I tell you, we get to that 60, man, that thing is, yeah. I might just pull out early on this cause just cause it's at that 60. I want to see Millie even got motivated. That's what I want to see.
Seen a Millie, I got motivated. I got motivated. Seen a Millie, I got motivated. I got motivated. Quit my 9 to 5 and now they hate. Used to see all their faces. I had to go make some changes. And bitch, now I'm elevated. I seen a Millie, I got motivated. I got motivated. Seen a Millie, I got motivated. I got motivated. Quit my 9 to 5 and now they hate. Used to see all their faces. I had to go make some changes. And bitch, now I'm elevated. Expensive dinners, I'm tripping no waiters. I'm sipping champagne with no special occasion.
I'm just watching this real close, y'all. So I might be getting out, like even before VB, just cause if y'all watch any of my sessions, y'all notice that once we hit this for the first time, a lot of times it's going to reject off of here and pull back. If we got two confirmations like that, look at that. Yeah, I'm out, man. I closed that trade. I'm going to tell you why. The reason I closed that trade is because we came up to the Asian session. First time here. And then we was right at that 62. So, and I bet you if we go to this 5, go to the 5 minute, we bought the VB. So, look at that. And we saw it make that M on the 1 minute. Look at that. I'm gonna teach y'all something real quick. Okay, so let me see. Another thing I know when I went to the 1 minute, it went real quick, but I'm going to teach you guys something real quick. Maybe we can use this ellipse. Okay, so this is the first. That's the first one, which is corresponding with this. All right. That corresponds with that hump. All right, now we got this one. do this. Do it like this. So we got this hump right here. I'm gonna teach y'all something about this TDI thing. So make sure y'all pay attention to this. All right, so we got that, and we got this right here. All right, so let's look at this. As to why I got out, but let me check some real quick. Let's look at the 15. Look at it's pulling back. Let's go back to the 5. It's pulling back. Look at that. I know you like, why? So why did you do that? All right, so we're going to the 1 minute. Let's get our arrow out. And we see this arrow going up, right? That's telling us this is where price is closing at, right? Or going up, okay? We look at price was going up. However, we look down here, we look on the RSI, which is the relative strength index. And we look at these arrows, we look at the humps, right? Which way is it going? That's going down. Which way is this going? That's going up. All right, I mean, even if we was to put it, what about even if you put it right here at the body? Right? This is what you call divergence. Like, this is the relative strength index, RSI, relative strength index, which is this green line, is the strength of the currency. It's the strength of the pair we are looking at, right? So this is saying that strength is getting weak. Closed up here, came down, closed down here. So this is telling us that this thing it's probably going to drop. The candles will fake you out. You thinking, oh yeah, it's going up, it's going up. And look. That thing just melted. Like, and it went all the way, it VB'd out to the other goddamn side, right? So that's why I got out of that trade. Now, I'm not saying that it's not going to come back up, but I didn't need all of that. You know what I'm saying? So not saying that. And look, we VB'd anyway, or it's about to. So there's so many confirmation that this thing is going to pull back. And I'm pretty sure EA did the same thing, probably. Look at EA. So let's see if EA did anything like that on the 1 minute. No, EA just said no, man, we going down. Period. Hold on, let's look though. Actually, this went down. This closed down here though. So yeah, this went up. This closed. Even though that went up, this was down here when it closed. Boom, drop. See what AU is doing. AU is, I'm looking like, what the heck? All in for. So AU is probably about to push back up. Just gonna have to watch this one. Okay, let's look at gold. Look back at gold, see what gold is doing. Gold is just hovering around. I do believe gold, we might get that one. We might get that shit where gold just fucking melts, because I have gold going down. Like, just from this, the daily D-Lo, right? I'm so pissed I didn't enter up here, y'all. Like, I'm fucking pissed. I should have been up here, period. But I just didn't. I did get in up here, though. Then I got in on this shift, so we'll see what happens with the shift. But this thing throws a D-Lo. Yes, but I wish I'd have got in right here. At least anywhere up in this area I should have got in. I'd have been cool with that. But if this thing does what it, let me see. If this thing goes where I wanted to off the BTS, then I mean we looking at some good pippage, like real good pippage. We talking like this thing has a potential to boom. We talking that's 1,300 pips, right? That's one entry. We got another one right here for about, let's say, 1,248 pips, right? Not to mention if we get a D-low, then not to mention if this thing want to come all the way down here. I mean, but by then it's probably move up here somewhere. So let's just say right here, 1,550. So there's a chance. That's if that's where the market wants to go. Oh, I think this thing moved up some, didn't it? Yeah, it's coming back up to my entry on that one, which I don't really care about that one. I care about it, but I expect this thing to bounce around here because we still got this red up here, so I do expect it to possibly come back up here. I want this to give us a D-low before it drops. And you want it to stay close to the shift. The closer your D-low is to the shift, the more money you're going to make. So, what was that shift right here, I think it happened? I don't know. I think this was the shift. Maybe that was. No, this was the shift. So we need, if this deal is to happen somewhere in this area, we good, we golden. Cause this thing might just play around until about the New York session starts. So we'll see what it does. I mean, we still got this, but I don't think it's gonna come back up here. Not saying that it can though. It's still early in the game. It can still come back up here. So we just gotta wait and see. But this thing can drop, can freaking melt. It could just melt. One thing you know about when stuff sells, look, it sells. That thing just melted. Like there isn't a freaking black candle in sight. But when it closed below. Jeez. So I'm hoping we can get some action like that. That'd be lovely. Oh, I gotta mark my So TP will be all the way down here. Well, actually, we can have a TP right here too. If the market come here, we probably get a reaction. As you can see, K now buyers right here. But you know, we try and get it to come down here somewhere. All right, somewhere around there. What's ECAD doing? Still making his way down. Shit. Got to stretch it out, man. Woo. Stuff get you tired too, man. Alright, so let's go through these pairs real quick. If I don't see too much anything, man, I'm gonna jump off the live and go do something, man. I need to get some pre-workout and work out. Well, I got some. I just need to go ahead and work out. What is she doing? See, that was a But you know, man, just sometimes you don't know what this market's gonna do. We don't need that, but I'll show you what it did. It gave us the. All right, it gave us that. Gave us our vector. Boom, boom. Gave us our M. Gave us our shift right there. Then you go ahead and enter off that, and voila. You've been up 26 pips. I'm gonna say when you get that shift off the 200, oh yeah, you're gonna go into profit. But you know, that wasn't something we took. I'm trying to see what this thing wants to do, because honestly, this thing is about to shift now, and a lot of times they follow each other. But that, I don't know what this is gonna do. So I'm not gonna take the trade, but I should take it, man, just to see. Small lot size. This thing's about to shift. Next 4 minutes or so. Let's look at it. Boom, boom. Got our vector. This could be the high. That might be the high of the day, so I ain't worried about that. That thing said we coming all the way up here. Come down. Go up. Boom. Now, this could possibly be our shift candle. Oh shit, what you doing, homeboy? That could possibly be our shift candle. We can get in. I don't know, say right there, that's where it closes. And take it to right about there. About 40 pips possibly, or more, or less, I don't know. But that's just what I'm looking at. Possibly. So, we just leave that right there. These things are just, whoo, they melting, boy. Pound got super weak. This gold doing it. Gold is going to play around for a minute, and I think that's when it's going to fucking melt. EA, look at that. What I got out of that trade, but I didn't take EA. Okay, look at E-Chef. Got out of that one early. E-Cat, look at it. It's probably going to, let me see. See how it comes down to the, what was I looking at? What was that chef when I said that was a pair? I was, let's see. Where did it come to? It came down. I think, I don't know, maybe right here. It was one that I said if it came down, I would have hit it. But, see, that was a good one. But, you know, I wanted to get out of that trade. Anyway. Okay, y'all hit it. Tag it. Yeah. Snap. Okay, AU is trying to go back down, so we'll see what that does. You know, I gotta keep my eye on gold. Gold be sneaky sometimes. Gotta watch it. Gotta watch that gold. UJ. So yeah, it's really nothing brewing right about now. What's this? This might create a D-low, but we got the right at the aqua, so that thing can keep bouncing off. Could be creating 50 and go up. You know? So we gotta watch that. I could be doing that. Oh, trooper. Man, my eyes watery. I ain't trying to go back to sleep right now, yo. Boy, it's tired, yo. Probably need to get out and get some fresh air. Like these, we might be looking at some trades off of the SPX NAS 100 type trades, but I'll leave that to my trainer, educator, mentor, creator of this method. Now this is beautiful. This USR right here. Nope, I won't mess with that one. But that's nice. Can't mess with that for obvious reasons. Man, getting out that ECAT trade was beautiful. I like scaling like that. This is a good one. Caught that shift right there. This one could be. Now this one is good too. We missed oh, this is beautiful. This thing's about to shoot up. Let me see something. Let me see which one of these was that shift, because this is beautiful. Was it this candle? Yep. Could have got in off of this one. AU, okay, AU. Oh, big dog. This thing probably shooting up now. We don't want it, yeah, in our dreams, right? EA is might. ECAP probably will shoot up eventually. But like I said, we got out. That there. See what GJ looking like. Ooh, GJ. Hold on. GJ. Hold on, what's this doing? This VB, March GU. I'm telling you, retest right here and drop. GJ. See if he got stronger a little bit. But I think it's stronger than this, so. Like, it might not come back up here. That thing is probably gonna hit right here and it's continue to drop soon. So that's that. See what gold doing? Gold is pulling those EMH down. That yellow and red. Dude, that thing gonna make a D-low. It dropped. Man. So honestly, we're gonna stay in gold, and I mean, I want to get into GJ. I really do. Because at least it's gonna at least come down to right here, somewhere around here is gonna come. Man, I want to stay to get in this, but I'm in enough trades, yo. But we're gonna watch that to see what it does. Boy, we looking good with this blue party going on. So I don't know if y'all got any questions or anything, yo, but so far that's what we looking at, man. The GJ. What I would say is, if you're not in a trade and you want to get in one, I would definitely get into this. Like, I'm not gonna watch it right now because I'm about to either get a little rest, because when I come back on, I might hop onto our training session with because we got our part of the beta group. He about to bring a new, like, more, you call it the HFX, it's like hyperdrive, where the trades are faster. So like we did yesterday, what he did with the US 30, like we traded off the 5 minute and 1 minute time frame, so the trades is fast. So it's not like there's no questions being asked. Like, this is like for people who's, it's not the newbies who's going to ask a million questions. This is our beta group, people who've been trading for a while, who gets it. And all your hand is just on the button. Like, when you say click it, you're either going to buy or sell, whichever way we're going. It's like going along. We're going right now. Stay in the trade, stay in the trade, stay in the trade, stay, you know, you have to let you know. All right, exit right now. Boom. So we enter and exit quick off the 1 minute and 5 minute, which is awesome. And, like, you know, you saw yesterday at the end of the video when I went on, you know, they had already caught them pips, so I want to get in on that. So I'm gonna get in on that probably about 7. I'm gonna create a demo account for that. I'm not gonna trade on my live right now, but looking at US 30, I don't know what it's gonna do. I mean, it does look like it's in an uptrend, but I haven't looked at the overall picture yet, so I'm not gonna worry about that. Like I said, I expect gold to play around for a little bit. As you can see, it's making lower highs. Boom. Low. AU is trying to go down for us. But if gold give me that D-Lo, y'all, it is on and popping. On and popcorn. All right, so yeah, man, that's it. I'm about to get at least about a 20-minute nap, man, and then I'm gonna hop back on our session there, and I might come back on YouTube live and, you know, see if these pairs are doing anything differently or doing some awesome stuff or whatever. So with that said, man, I hope you enjoyed this live. We are blue on AU. We got out of ECAT and profit. We got out of eChef and profit. I wish I would have held that motherfucker. But we got out like right up here somewhere. But then that thing that's probably 3 pips. No, it's not that many though. Yes, it is. That's enough. That's good. Well, we got out of eChef and profit before it did all this freaky stuff. Even though this is going up, I don't know. But we got out. That's all I gotta say. EA, I don't know what you're trying to do. EA threw a D-Lo. Oh, we on 5, man. I'm like, dang. Come on, I didn't see that. Okay, now let's go back to eChef real quick. Yeah. No, yeah. There we go. That looks sexier. So you could be trying to drop GJ. Let's go back to GJ. Man, that's gonna be beauty because that thing coming right here. All right, y'all. See you on the next one. Might be a little bit later today. Never know.